Hello students, in this tutorial we are going to learn about MS Word 2007. So as you can see the ribbon or many options which you can see in this MS Word. Okay, so page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, these all are the tabs which we can use for editing or document. Okay, and these all are very useful for MS, for our document. Okay, for any for editing, right? So let's know about it. Home tab. Okay, home tab में बहुत सारे option visible है. As you can see there are many option. Font, you can change your font size. Paragraph, you can change your paragraph size. You can edit that. Style. Okay, so आप अपने पैराग्राफ को चेंज कर सकते हो, उसे एडिट कर सकते हो, उसे अलाइनमेंट, एज यू कैन सी अलाइनमेंट. ओके, डिफरेंट अलाइनमेंट्स, बुलेट्स, सो यू कैन यूज दैट फॉर चेंजिंग योर टेक्स्ट, योर डॉक्यूमेंट. italic, okay, Ctrl+I we can use for italic, or directly you can use from here italic. If you wish to give your text as an italic form, so you can use this symbol. Okay, now increase the font size. If you wish to increase your font size, you can use this option. And if you wish to color your background, your document background, if you want to color, so you can use this background and press F1 for more help. You can press F1 for more help and Ctrl+E center text. Okay, अगर आप अपने text को center में देखना चाहते हो, so you can use this alignment. As it is, there are different kind of alignment. As you can see in this picture, you can change your text format, right? And as theme fonts, whichever fonts you would like to give to your document, your text, you can select from here. Okay, recently you can see Calibri body is a format of text. Underline, Ctrl+U. If you wish to give underline to your text, you can choose any underline and you can apply on that text. Okay, so from here you can apply and you can press Ctrl+U. Now student, we will learn about how to find text in MS Word and how to replace that. So in the right side you can see find option is visible. Okay, find option, you can see I am going to click on this option, and by using this option you can find any word. Okay, आपने बहुत आपका एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जिसमें आपने बहुत कुछ टाइप कर रखा है, and particular word which you want to find, so you can write that spelling whichever you want to find. Okay, and you can apply next, and you can apply replace, find. Okay, you can apply find next, so that whichever particular word you want to find, so that word would be highlight in your document. As you can see, ठीक है, जो भी word आप find करना चाहते हो वो word highlight हो जाएगा, right? As it is, you can find any word, whichever word you want to find. You can just simply write here, or that word will be highlighted, right? So this is very useful option in MS Word 2007. Okay, as it is students, if we want to replace any text, okay, so that is also very simple. How to replace? As simply you can see replace option. Okay, find, and after find you can see replace option. So what you need to do, whichever word you want to replace, you just simply need to write down that particular word on that place of find. Okay, find what. So जो भी word आप replace करना चाहते हो, आपको उस word को यहाँ पे लिखना है, and whichever word you want to replace, आप कौन से word को कौन से word से replace करना चाहते हो, new word you can write here replace with. And यू कैन क्लिक ऑन रिप्लेस ऑल. अगर आपको सारे वर्ड्स पे रिप्लेस करना है सो यू कैन क्लिक ऑन रिप्लेस ऑल. So whichever word you want to replace, that word will be replaced. जो भी word आपने लिखा है उससे वो word replace हो जाएगा. Okay, that's all. इतना ही है. आप इस का यूज़ करके आप किसी भी वर्ड को रिप्लेस कर सकते हो, किसी टेक्स्ट को, पर्टिकुलर वर्ड को, कंप्लीट लाइन को. Okay, so how useful this is. Okay, you can type the text to be searched in the find word box. Okay, and type the new text in the replace with box and you can apply. Okay, that's it. So we have learned about finding and replacing text. Now next we are going to learn how to insert hyperlink. So it is also very important. Hyperlink is used to move from one page to the other quickly, and by just a single click on the hyperlink, on that link, the link can be in text or picture form. So here you can see this is the link. This is the link to my website. Okay, ये मेरी website की link है, so which I have written here. And now I am going to remove it because मुझे इस पे वेबसाइट पे, पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट पे हाइपरलिंक क्रिएट करना है, सो दैट इफ़ आई क्लिक हियर सो मुझे वो लिंक मिल जाए. सो यहाँ पे मैंने हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक किया है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू पेस्ट दैट लिंक. ओके, सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू जस्ट सिलेक्ट दैट पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट, जिससे आप क्लिक करोगे तो लिंक आ जाएगा. नाउ इन द इंसर्ट यू कैन सी दिस हाइपरलिंक ऑप्शन. सो you can simply click on that. Okay, you can simply click on that, and जब भी आप इस पे क्लिक करोगे आप डायरेक्टली मूव करोगे उस लिंक पे जो आपने क्रिएट करवाई है. ओके